We welcome Andrew Stokes, Director of Sales and Marketing for Ubecoin. Andrew, please tell us how Ubecoin was formed.
Hi, Shane, thank you. Ubecoin was born in early 2015. It was formed in late 2014 as we watched the evolution of blockchain into business worldwide and the growing curiosity on Bitcoin and other security-based tokens around the world. And as auto coins evolved, we brought the Ubecoin project into the fold, where we saw the opportunity for Ubecoin and a blockchain solution for business, which has been done thousands of times and replicated across the world in different industries, where we saw a real opportunity and a segue into the market for a blockchain solution using Ubecoin was in the bartering market globally, which is currently operating off about a $5 billion annual turnover base, spread across approximately 600 bartering platforms per se. Now, this could be hugely increased if there was some solutions to those particular platforms that are very incumbent for the merchants. So we got together a great team with lawyers. We're fully regulated out of Gibraltar, with isolas. We put together a team of lawyers, accountants, business managers and business owners to form Ubecoin and put into practice the solution that we saw for the barter industry globally. So if you go to ubecoin.com, this is clearly explained in the white paper and the light paper, and how we're going to put liquidity onto Ubecoin, which is a utility token to be used between merchants globally. And the blockchain solutions will then network all the merchants once the TGE is finalized.
So Andrew, Ubecoin is running a TGE or token generation event. Can you give me an overview of this?
Sure. So the vision of Ubecoin is to give power back to the merchants and to create a solution and a liquidity market for Ubecoin the token to be used universally and globally. In a medium of transaction between merchants for their goods and services. So we launched a TGE to raise some funds. We have a hard cap of 300 million coins. The sale started on the 2nd of July. With these funds, if you go to ubecoin.com and the white paper, you will see phases 1, 2 and 3 and the distribution coinomics of how those funds are going to be spent. But the end goal of the TGE that's currently in place will be operating funds for us to continue setting up free trade barter and a merchant pool globally. And depending on the returns from the TGE, acquisitions, mergers and white labeling opportunities that currently exist globally within this current market.
Andrew, how are you going to achieve underlying longevity of the business model of Ubecoin?
We have a fantastic business model for Ubecoin. If you go to freetradebarter.com, what we're doing is we're building a community of merchants who are going to use their capacity as a small business to make a transaction with another merchant in the exchange of goods and services. But also we're going to bring in consumers from the top end of the business through our gaming and entertainment partners, who we're going to put liquidity in from promotions and spend that will filter down to the merchants to increase the liquidity in that pool.